I can see his bollocks. I mean, luckily they're not native to the UK, so it's not so bad. I don't know if anyone's wondering, but I'm not putting the drone up today. The entrance is pretty shit as well. Broken down. Not a big KTM. you'd have roosted me, we would have fallen out, because that right is full of cow shit. Can somebody come and hold the gate? Right, Stuart's coming. That's why I wish to hold it for everyone. I mean, that's more my lack of ability than my good nature. Are we having fun yet? We're just waiting for the other two to catch up. Wait no more. To the tea room! They're gonna fucking love us, aren't they? There is a motorcycle parking. The Moist Motorcycle Club. The MMC. Moist Motorcycle. MMC team. Alright, I want a hot cup of tea. No, nobody can hear you. Fucking, you gotta stop taking your comms onto Salt of Fell, because every fucking time you break them.
Can you hear me now?
No.
I might be on mute.
Hey?
It might have got the button pushed, put me on mute.
Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Right, so you just muted.
I can't talk.
Well, let's figure that out indoors in the dry, because I'll be honest, I do not want to fucking figure it out here. Boat. I went to France. We stayed in France for 3 months, and I went to the baker's in the morning, practiced my French all the way there. I asked, in my best French, I asked for 2 croissants and a baguette.
Yeah.
She looked at me very funny. We had this really awkward conversation in pidgin English after that. I got home, I thought, I'm going to say into Google Translate what I said to the woman, because I don't understand. I couldn't have been that far off. And Google translated into, would you fuck off, please?
Inside or out?
Inside. I'm going to say sorry now.
Is there tables upstairs?
Yeah. Do you want to go upstairs? Can we go and sit down upstairs and then we'll come back down and order? And I'm very sorry.
You've been dreaming about you guys for about an hour.
And I. Right. Maybe. Right, hold on, Gill. I need to get out of this and get the heavy breathing out of my ear.
Number 4, please.
Hot 235, thank you.
Yeah. No, proper bump here.
warm idea too.
Turn around, Gill, and I'm going to back it down that hill. Up against the wall.
Yeah. It's me. It's me. I think it is. It runs all the way down here. Yeah. Problem is everything's wet, so I can't see a fucking thing. But yeah, it's a great big puddle down here.
No, you didn't go that far up.
You know?
No, you didn't go right forward to there, Gill.
I'm gonna. Okay, so the easy way for me to tell is there is nothing.
You didn't pull that far forward.
I'm gonna pull up here, and if it's me, it'll follow me. But that's.
Then why don't we wait? This is a bit hard. Why don't we wait for it to dry?
Because it might be empty by then.
Well, we can't either way.
No, I just mean there'll be nothing else to leak.
But there'll be a patch on the floor.
It's already huge. Look. It's followed me. Look, it's here now. It's definitely me. So it's fuel. I'm not sure where it's.
No, I'm not sure.
This looks like it might be, but it doesn't make sense that it's that high up.
Was that from
That's probably from today.
That's today. So that
Yeah.
would be the area. It would be a bit brown there.
To be honest,
Gill, you've got no way of looking
Yeah,
while it's wet. Here.
you got it.
Yeah. See that's brown?
Hang on.
Oh, yeah, these That's quite a lot. I think it looks worse than it is.
Because it's wet.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I'm thinking quite a bit. This one about it.
You in?
So
What about
we've
me?
got you in room 2.
Lovely.
Thank you. Have all you guys taken?
And Stuart's separate.
he's separate.
What's yours, Adam? Beard.
Beard.
What is it?
Stuart, now not.
Yes.
Chris,
Question.
the bar's that way.
Yeah, there's nowhere to sit,
There's nowhere to sit in the bar.
haven't they?
There's a back room that's
Can we
open.
sit in the back room?
Yeah.
Right, I'll go in the back room.
Go in the back room, get us a table that will sit 8 of us. I don't know when the others will get here.
Well, likely to be cancelled.
Right, we'll be down in a minute.
As and when they get here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Well, you're both booked in anyway, so.
Lovely.
You're smashing. I'm so pleased the room's ready.
I'll tell you what, you made our day and we are literally soaked.
Come on!
There wasn't a chance to get back up then.
A little swimming pools.
Oh, it's so wet out there, it's ridiculous. Oh yeah, mind my head, especially if I've got my crash helmet on.
Mind your head, Paul.
Yeah. Oh no, I can't. Can I get through? Oh my god. Oh no, this is
I dropped my gloves.
Chris and Andy's. Steve and Andy's room.